So with Clearview, we pride ourselves in fine dust separation. So it's not like you're going to have a lot of dust being built up into your filter system. Most of it's going to go on the bin anyways. But for the small amount of dust that'll actually make it through to the filters, this product is going to vibrate your filters. Fine dust is going to fall down to the catch box, which you can pull that cap off the bottom of the cleanout box. You'll be able to remove it via a shop vac, and then that's going to basically extend the life of your filters for a long time, possibly 5+ years down the road. Okay, so let's do a little quick unboxing of your filter shaker. Once we get the box opened up, we're going to grab the motor out of the box. Then we're going to grab the flange. This will sit in between both filters and be able to mount the motor on it as well. Here's 3 feet that will screw into the bottom of the cleanout box. This way here, the filters won't start walking across the floor when we start using it. So, and you have a hardware pack to mount the motor onto the flange, instruction manual. All right. So we're going to take the flange and we're going to put a bead of caulking around, but hold the caulking to the outside edge. Okay. And then we'll lay that onto the filter and push down on it. And then we'll take the screws and fasten it to the filters. So there's 3 or 4 spots that we'll do this on. Just push down as we put the screws into the filter. Same thing on the top. We're going to want to put a second bead of silicone around, hold it to the outside, put the filter on top, and then again push down on the filter as you screw in to the tabs. See how she does that there? Perfect. Yep. All right. But yeah, we just want to make sure, the one thing though is just make sure that you don't run the filter shaker at the same time that the unit is on, because of